Hello siblings, and welcome back to yet another update of Big Brother Mzansi Season 5. I am your host, Mrs. Independent. Thank you siblings so much for tuning in. As you could see, Martha was dancing her heels off as if she knew that she is going to be evicted. Martha from Rockerville becomes the 9th housemate to be shown the door by Big Brother after spending 42 days in the house. Here is another move dance that was pulled by Martha on Mandy Hagan. Take a look at this. The girl was so wild, guys. I don't know what was going on. She was so wild. I think she knew it was her last day in the house and she just wanted to do whatever that she can, before she leaves the house. She just wanted to leave umlando. Something that she could be remembered with. So yeah, she ended up sitting at Ulona Melino's bed, and Melina had to shift and sit towards the edge of the bed. So she was wild. The girl was so wild. And yeah, thank you so much for joining up. Until the next update. Bye.